Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another banger video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video here. So today we have a few cars lined up for today. We have 4 to 5 vehicles that we're going to detail. Early in the morning, it's not even 7 o'clock in the morning yet, and we're getting started with the first car. So we have a maintenance detail on this Honda Civic here. You guys can see that it's a little misty and foggy out here right now, but this car is actually not that bad. We come out here every month, take care of it, make it look nice and clean for the client time after time. I'm sorry about the birds chirping, can't do anything about it, but right now it's a little early. Oh, keys are actually in the car for us, which is perfect because we can get right to work, no excuses. So you guys can see the door handles, the door panels are clean. Just need a little bit of dust off, just a quick wipe down. Overall, this just needs the vacuum and a wipe down on the interior and stuff like that, between the air vents and cracks and crevices and stuff like that. This does need a shampoo service. We have shampooed this numerous times, but the stains just don't come off. So sit back, enjoy the video, and let's get started. Let's go. Alright, you guys, and just like that, we just finished the maintenance detail on this Civic here. So you guys see it behind us. I'm going to show y'all really quickly a overview of the car. So we waxed it with our Shocket ceramic spray wax. We have the tires dressed and shined. I'm gonna go ahead and do a final wipe down because these black cars show everything in the sun. So we gotta give it one last wipe down before we walk off here, just like we do any car. Interior details done, vacuum and wipe down is complete. Gotta dry up the door jambs a little bit more, and we'll be on our way. Windows are all done and stuff like that. So hopefully you enjoyed those quick little clips, and hopefully you guys can see me here. I don't know why my camera's acting crazy today. It's not picking me up, but hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. On to the next client. Let's go. All right, YouTube, so we are here at the second car. This is going to be the second maintenance detail of the day. We already did the wheels, we foamed it down, we're washing it now. We still haven't done the interior yet, but we will shortly. But yeah, this is the second car today. We have a red Honda Civic here. I'm pretty sure I showed this car numerous times on my channel before, but yeah, so Edwin's over there washing it. I'm gonna go ahead and help him out, but I wanted to make sure I grab the camera to show y'all what we got here. So just a quick vacuum, quick wipe down, door jambs, windows, wheels and tires, and this one will be all complete. All right, you two, so we just finished up the detail on this Civic here. Got the wheels looking nice and clean, shiny, how they're supposed to be looking. Car overall is waxed and washed and waxed. I mean, we have the interior as well was done. The interior detail, vacuum, basic stuff, windows, door jambs. Crazy shine on this car. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the next one. Let's go. All right, so we just got done detailing this Volvo here. Like I said, this is a very nice car. Time is currently 10:31. In case you guys think we're capping, it's 10:31. I don't know what time we got here, but I'll say about an hour. We've been here an hour or so. Interior was also detailed and vacuumed out. Show you guys. Left our air freshener for them. Wipe down the doors and door panels and stuff like that. All right, YouTube, so this is the last car for us today. We have a Toyota Corolla here. Now this car has never been washed, as you guys can see. The paint has a lot of embedded dirt and grime on it, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure we remove that by APC rinsing it off and just kind of just giving it a good power wash, because that's pretty much what's gonna be needed to get that off and stuff like that. If you don't have, you know, the means of a strong power washer or whatever, you have a hose, maybe just try clay barn or something like that, and the car is locked. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the keys real quick so we can open it up and show you guys the interior. But as far as the exterior goes, this is the condition that it's in. All right, so we got the keys up. We have the canopy set up here. This is a lifesaver, and this is the interior, how it's looking. It's not too bad. Just getting our full detail. This is the silver package, so this is getting the full shampoo, and then it's getting the wash and wax on the exterior, of course, because it really needs it. Door jambs are getting all cleaned up and stuff like that. As far as detailing and stuff, it's not that hard, so I'll knock that out real quick, and then as soon as I do that, I'll be able to help with the shampoo process and everything like that. I'm gonna try to not record too much this car. I'll probably just record most of the ice, like the wash and stuff, removing all this junk and stuff from the paint, because it's just so much that we have to do. Doesn't seem like much, but there is just so many processes and stuff that we need to get, you know, taken care of. So I need to make sure that we're good on timing and stuff like that. So here's a look at the other side. This bunch of leaves and stuff, like, honestly, you guys, it's not that bad. It's not bad compared to what we usually see. This is about I'll give this a 5.5, just because the outside. Give this a 5.5. So again, I believe this is a 10 by 10. It's a master canopy. I believe it's 10 by 10. I probably spent anywhere from like 100 to 200 on this thing, and it's super easy to install and stuff like that. So if you guys want to see a tutorial video or a video of us setting this up and breaking it back down, let me know. It's pretty simple. You just clip these things here, pull it down, and then bring the height down, and then all around just push it together and it's ready to go. So yeah, like I said, if y'all want a video on that, let me know. So this is going to conclude the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this whole day with us. It's actually 1:19, 1:20, and we're done for the day. We did about 3 maintenances and this full detail today. So that's 4 cars total. And yeah, we could do more, but it's not about quantity, it's about quality, you guys know. So yeah, appreciate you guys. Hustle never settle. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Let's go.